Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear friends, today we will do a cool experiment. Before starting, let's ask some questions. Does oil and water mix together? Does needle and balloon can mix together? Of course not. But today we are going to make the impossible mission. Let's start together. What we need: balloons, cooking stick, scissors, marker, and tape. Inflate the balloon and tie it. Now place the skewer on the thick end of the balloon and push it. Bismillah. Wonderful! What is that? How did that happen? What's the secret? The secret is to use the portion of the balloon where the rubber molecules are under the least amount of strain or stress. If you could see the rubber that makes up the balloon on a microscopic level, you would see many long chains of molecules. These long chains of molecules are called polymers, and the elasticity of these polymer chains causes rubber to stretch. Blowing up the balloon stretches these strands of polymer chains. And let's see some examples. Of course, you know about the clothes which is made of polyester. Look at that. I can stretch it. Look at that. I can stretch it easy. Let's see another one. You can see that. And the balloon is made up of rubber, which I can stretch it. Here in this balloon, we will notice a thick area of rubber at both ends of it, where you tie the knot and at the opposite end. But in middle, it's stretched out. Let's get the stick out. The air leak out of the balloon, but the balloon won't pop. Step 2. This time we will use a marker to draw some dots on the balloon. Inflate the balloon and tie it. Observe the various sizes of dots all over the balloon. Here the latex molecules stretched out the most, and here the dot stretched out the least. Let's put the stick again. Very good. And here. Oops. Great. Step 3. Now we will try to put the stick in the middle section, which is nearly. Now let's have the tape and cut it. Put it here in the middle of the balloon, and here, and we will put the stick on it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Great. Let's go out. Yes, wonderful. What a wonderful job. What is that? Did you see that? You have to try it. Really, you have to try it. And this is a great way to demonstrate a life lesson on how to approach a stressful situation. This key is to find the area of least stress and to use it as an entry point to relieve the tension. In other words, every stressful situation has a best point of entry and requires a good exit strategy if you want to be successful. Try it at home. See you in the next experiment in Home Lab. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.